Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today I have yet another thing for unboxing today. This is the cabinet guys I'm going to use, in which I am going to install all the equipments and components for making my ultimate astrophotography image processing rig. As you know guys, I have been unboxing a lot of components for making this ultimate astrophotography rig for image processing. If you have not seen those videos, I will put the link of the videos above or in the description below for you guys to check it out. Ensure that you watch this video till the end so that you do not miss out on any important information or instructions or specifications that I have to tell you guys. Before we move further guys, if you are new to my channel and not yet subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and click that bell notification icon so that you get the notifications for all my new videos. Let's get started. Before we see the content of the box, let us see what is there on the box first. What are the specifications or information which are mentioned on the top of the box. As you can see, this is the box made by Ocelot. It is a gaming cabinet, so it is meant for high-end gaming equipments to be installed and to be used for the gamer rig. So it has all the features which are required for cooling and everything, and it has enough space. So it is a cabinet for gamer. The model number is OGM-C01. Now let us see on the sides what it has. So it has its branding on the top, and then it says keep hunting and some handling instructions and safety instructions. On this side you have a similar information, nothing fancy. On the other side as well, as you can see, it has a similar information. What it says, it supports both ATX, mini ATX and ITX motherboard. It has 7 ventilation fan that it supports with 120 mm. As you see guys, I have already unboxed 6 of these fans with 120 mm size. So all of the fans I will be using on this ATX board will be compatible. It is compatible with 4 SSDs, 2 hard disk and 2 USB 2.0 and 1 USB 3.0 port. So as you have already seen in my unboxing of the motherboard, I have those ports as well present on my motherboard, so it will be a perfect match for the motherboard and the fans that I have, that I want to install. Alright, so let's get started with opening this box and see what is there inside. So let's open it. So guys, this is the first look of the component or the cabinet inside. As you can see, it is nicely packed with the foam. Let us take this cabinet out and show you guys how does it look like. So when you first unbox it, this is how it is packed inside. On the top, at the bottom, you have the foam cover so that it is not damaged during the transportation. I hope it is not damaged too. So let us remove these covers and see what is there inside. So this is the full-size cabinet that I'm going to use. Let us remove this packing as well. So this is the cabinet guys I'm going to use. As you can see, this is the tempered glass opening so that you have all the RGB components which are present inside are visible and they look nice as well. So this is end-to-end cabinet with end-to-end glass opening on the sides. So on the top as well guys, as you can see, it has a mesh so that you have a nice ventilation. Also you can install few fans on the top so that you have proper airflow inside this cabinet as well. Let us see at the back. So at the back you have the motherboard IO port slot already cut out. So here also you can use one of the fan for the ventilation. At the bottom guys, this is the place where you install your power supply, and this is the place where you have all your graphics card and any other extra peripherals that you want to connect to your PCI port that can be mounted here. So let us see on the front what it has to offer. So front is also made out of tempered glass. As you can see, you have the branding as well. So here also you can use few of the fans that will be throwing out the air from the side ventilations. So you can use few fans here. So I will be using around 3 fans on the front, 2 on the top and 1 on the back, so that I have enough ventilation for all the components which are there inside. And since this is a glass panel on the front and the side, so all your RGB components will be visible from the outside, and it will look very beautiful. So now let us see what more details or informations are present on the top. So as you can see, there is one USB 3.0 port, one USB 2.0 port, one audio jack and one mic jack, one USB 2.0 port, power button, and your mute button, I guess. And then you have some of the LED indicators which are present for your hard disk and your power. So this is something nice. So these are the ports available on this cabinet. Now let us open the cabinet and see how does it look inside. So you have to unscrew all these 4 bolts. You have to be very careful while opening the cabinet, otherwise you might break the side panel. Now let us open it gently. So as you can see inside, there are few cables already present for connecting all your peripherals inside. So at the bottom you have a compartment already there for sliding in your power supply, and this is a place where your motherboard will be attached. On the other side you have the cable management system on the back, so you can open the back side panel as well and you can do all your cable management. And on this side, as you can see, you have slots cut for the fans that you want to install. So I will be installing ARGB fans here so that it looks nice and pretty. At the same time, it will keep the airflow inside and keep things cool. So this is it, guys. This is how your cabinet looks like. So this is it, guys. This is the unboxing of this cabinet. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please do not forget to hit that like button. If you have any questions or comment, please leave them in the comment section below. I will try and answer as soon as possible. If you are new to my channel and not yet subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and click that bell notification icon so that you get the notifications for all my new videos. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching, and clear skies.